Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we're back on the vertical slaughter for the milling machine, and what I have to do is I have to relocate my three-phase converter. So I just have to swap this thing on the opposite side of the conduit you see there on the left. But in order to do that, I have to drill a hole in the junction box. So I'm going to use an annular cutter to drill a hole in the junction box, so therefore I need a Weldon adapter for the annular cutter. Obviously the mill is down because I have the converter disconnected. So I have to make this adapter to fit into the little drill press. If I was using the mill, I could just use an R8 collet. So that's why I'm making this. You see, I'm just cleaning up this end. I have some general marks here. This is a fun project. We're just going to kind of wing it. I start by spot drilling, and then I do a series of step drills until I get to the appropriate size. Alright, let's see how we did, and of course, it's a perfect fit. Nice and tight. Now I turn the shank so it fits into the drill press. I need any dimension under a 1/2 inch. Now I drill and tap it for the set screw. Alright, let's make this thing look pretty. Let's put a little knurling on it. Alright, this thing looks good. Everything fits nice. Let's give it a shot. Well, this thing runs pretty true. Not much run out. Remember, this little drill press isn't very precise. Well, the adapter's working good, but for some reason, the bit just isn't drilling through this junction box. Something's wrong here. Now I remember, the last time I drilled this, I used this step bit. What a knucklehead. I didn't have to make that adapter after all. Well, everything worked out in the end. I got the converter panel moved on the left side of the conduit, and the hole I drilled worked perfect, as you can see. Now I just need to wire everything back up, and the mill will be back in operation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.